Hi, good day, and this will be the tutorial, Lenny. First, just click here the cross button or plus, add sheet. I click, uh, right, left click, then it will create a new sheet. You can rename it if you want, any name. I will rename this into transpose vertical, and then click to this sheet form response. Uh, you just click, hold the left mouse button, and then to select wait, or just select all this side here. Here you can click here to select all of the data in form response sheet. Click, and then when it selected all, uh, right click, copy, click. And when you copy it, go to the sheet transpose vertical, and you must put the cell into A1, and then right click, paste special, paste transpose, and then there you go. Data is now converted into vertical. Thank you.